Good morning, welcome back to the channel. We are on day 2 here in Fayetteville, West Virginia. We are putting the headliner back in that Chevy Silverado. We are putting the bumper back on after we spray paint the rear end pretty much. Might do a diff fluid change because it's leaking and we'll put a new gasket on that. The brakes were finished on the last video, so the parking brake is not a concern anymore. So we just have those 3 things to finish and well, here we go. Send it my way. Huh? I think I need to send it my way and then you hold this up because this is the way I took it out. There's no steering wheel in the way. All right, camera, hold on. Get you out of the way for a second. Back out. Huh? Camera was in the way, so I couldn't go full wide. Put in already? Something's clipped in. Let's not pull the TV again. Well, here. With the little thing. It's gonna work itself out. Maybe.
That one over there does the same thing, right?
I think it's worse because it doesn't even have that plastic thing on there anymore.
Slide camera.
Do you want me and Bruce to replace that seal day while all this is open? We looked it up on YouTube.
Yeah, you gotta have a gasket.
Yeah. What's that place called?
We can run to Steve's and get a gasket.
Well, if you go, better take that
Cover.
pan. Because you'll get the wrong gasket. Every time I do, I get the wrong. Look.
It takes a lot to get through the grease. All right. Hang on. Where did it go?
No, they don't go all the way through.
No, I'm looking for the fill valve. I want to make sure, if I can't fill it up, I don't want to take the cap off.
We want to open that fill valve first. Make sure.
Did you find it?
Yeah, it's over here on the
It
side.
should be right there on the side of that hog head. Let's loosen this.
Don't you put that. You get it?
Yeah.
Can you do the same up here?
Oh, I can get that one.
Don't you put that extension on that thing?
Huh? What's this right there?
That's more than I expected to come out.
Huh?
That's more than I expected to come out of there with this big leak over here.
No, our leak wasn't very bad. It should be about 1.5 quarts of it. Well, that oil ain't dirty. Clean as a pin.
I guarantee you.
That gasket ain't.
Want the big 1/2 inch? You afraid you're gonna break them if you use this?
Yes. That's why I'm always trying to get the bolts started.
I believe Retha and Penny better get all they can out of me this summer. Wait, I'm going, I ain't gonna be able to do shit next summer. I ain't gonna be able to get out of bed.
But you're too proud. Shit, don't get down. Let us get down.
I'm gonna get down sometimes by myself.
Yeah.
That's trouble. Trouble. Oh, shit.
They'll be getting around breaking loose. What do you want? At least just three breaking them off.
These two are rounding off.
Pull one of them off.
One wrong sockets.
So we got two problems.
I got one more thing back there. Let me go back there and get it.
What is it?
That'll grab it.
But with me, I'll just put the bolts back in there and tighten it up and let it go.
There it comes. Screw outs, aren't
It's
they?
like magic in a box.
Yeah, they're pretty handy to have, Mike. They're an easy out, but they're firm. Dumbass, I don't know why they put
Loctite in there?
Loctite on them bolts. Hell, there ain't no pressure, nothing on them. Yeah, these are pretty handy to have. Put that out there first and I'll wash it good before you take it with you.
Projects we get into. I mean, we're gonna have to use RTV and put it on both sides because that'll fill a lot of this. All right, now we're off to Advanced Auto. We need to get a gasket for that rear diff. Some RTV. I want to get all new bolts, brake cleaner, and 75W90 for it. And then, yeah, we'll come back, paint the cover of it, put all that back on, and good to go.
I can't believe you bought that cab. Just cause it had this little old hole right there. Okay, probably $40. Well, I was supposed to throw this outside. I swear I believe I need to take that back.
Do you think instead of throwing this away, just braise it at your convenience and we'll just have one?
Well, I've got the torch right there.
Save it as a backup.
Take this one back.
No,
Yeah.
this one's good.
Damn, Bruce.
Here's the thing that I was.
That's the old one.
Well, what did you buy all new bolts for?
They were only like 20 cents. Because those are going to do the same thing with this as this.
Whatever. I'm gonna throw some heat on it.
if you had something that wouldn't melt, like a little plastic thing, and its tongue, and its tongue just went. I don't know what would not melt.
Yeah.
And as it blew, it would just like.
You got it?
All right, make sure we put these hoses back. You know what I mean? Scuff off the new one. Bottom.
Mm-hmm. That's how you're gonna be after that Burger King for lunch.
I'll hit the edge of it, sure with this.
And that is a wrap for day 2 out here in Fayetteville. We have finished the rear diff, got that filled, resealed, that's good to go. Put a new rear diff cover on it. They're gonna continue working to clean up all of that rear area, all the frame and the hitch, and get that repainted, get that cleaned up, and put the new bumper on. Parking brake is of course done. And yeah, this project's complete. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And if you like this content, definitely let me know by leaving a comment. Have a good one. Bye.